Well, hello, you awesome and amazing people. Lynnie Wennerstrom, spiritual guide and mentor, and today is January 18th. I don't know why I'm so excited about that, but I'm here at my daughter's home and I absolutely love being with her, so January 18th is a really good day. I hope you're having a really good day as well. So what are we doing? Why do I always ask you that? And why do I always ask you that why? It doesn't matter. Today we are reading, and every day this year, 365 days of positive self-talk for finding your purpose. So positive self-talk in the app below, in the notes. First of all, that's Dr. Shad Helmstetter. So did I forget to mention this is his book and he gave us permission to use it to help you to find your purpose? Because that's what I'm all about, is helping you to be, I'm not helping you to be anything. I was just thinking what a beautiful soul you are, and how amazing and how powerful and empowered, and if you only knew your power. And I know that I am continually learning my own and feeling it, and it's just the most amazing spiritual thing ever. And so I really hope that this whole series of finding your purpose is helping you to really feel your own unlimited power. Unleash it, let it go, and be what you were meant to be, which is whole and perfect. And you were literally born to achieve absolutely anything. You were born to be successful in every area of your life. And then you got programmed. And this is why I continually come on here every single day, because once I really got this, and actually I got it many, many years ago, the neuroplasticity, neuroscience, and the repetition. I didn't really know how to put that into place. I knew you needed to repeat phrases, and so I've always had things on my closet, on my window, in front of my toilet seat, like everything, so I could see. And these are positive affirmations, things that I want to become, I aspire to be. And affirmations, they are beautiful and wonderful, and they can make us go like, oh yeah, that. But they are not repetition that you need for the positive self-talk. And that is what Shad Helmstetter put together many, many moons ago, in the late 60s, of this positive self-talk, created an absolute language, an actual language that you learn passively, only 15 minutes a day. And you could just do it in the mornings, but if you do it at night, and then if there's a topic that you like, you can do it in the afternoon, but you're doing it while you're doing something else. So there is no extra time necessary. Okay, so we are going to read day 18th. I really hope that goes home, that I'm driving that home for you, because there is nothing like it. It literally transforms your life. In fact, one of my friends called me today, or yesterday, and she, well, we use Voxer, so she didn't call me, she voxed me. And she said, that's Voxer.com, by the way. Not that it matters, it's like a chat thing, but just so I can finish and complete that sentence. So, but she told me she has 3 daughters, and she said they've all been using the self-talk, and she said, Lynnie, it works. And I got so excited because she has 3 young daughters, 2 teenagers, and then a 7-year-old. And those children listening to this self-talk, they're going to be different people, because they are reprogramming their brains for success in every area of their life. And these girlies are already so, like, one, she's 17, but she literally has written 3 books already and published. It's amazing. Just imagine what your children, your grandchildren, you yourself can do. She didn't write these books because the self-talk. Let me just say this a different way. Imagine, she's already very accomplished. Let me just put it that way. And here she is listening to this self-talk. Can you imagine any self-doubt that she has learned, any programming from society? They don't watch news and things of that nature, but just all that self-talk, anything that you just get from online or any of that, she's going to reprogram that. And those girlies are so excited to be doing this. as is her husband. Well, I don't know if her husband's excited, but they're doing it together. Anyway, it just makes me so happy, because the more of us that are doing this, the higher our self-esteem, each one of us. Can you imagine a world where all of us had high self-esteem? That's what I imagine. And this is why I come on every single day to help you to find your purpose, because your purpose gives you meaning in your life, and that meaning in your life gives you direction. Your purpose gives you direction overall. So, okay, now that I went on and on, I just feel very excited today. So let's go January 18th, and just think about this. If you had just one day to do whatever you wanted to do, how would you deal with that day? You know, like that song, Tim McGraw, Live Like You Were Dying. I think about that a lot, not like you were dying, because it's like living fully, and I really try to live fully every single day. So anyway, let's go ahead and read the passage for today, January 18th. And it's 348 days left in the year, and 4.92% complete. We are 4.92% complete with the year. Wow, plenty of time to find your purpose. So hopefully we will get that down. And if you already have it, to enhance it and lean into it and activate it, and just share what it is. Find the skills to enhance it, and then go share it with the world, and use the self-talk to have that self-esteem, so that you can do anything. Use the self-talk to create financial strength for yourself, to lose weight if you need it, all that fun stuff. So, okay, here we go. Now I'm back to January 18th. If I had just one day to do what I need to do, I would not stop, I would not wait, I would not fear, and I would not give up or give in. That is the way I see today. I know what I need to do, and I do it. Don't you just love these? These are so empowering. They're life shifters. If you take that message and repeat every single morning, and then repeat every single night, you just take each one of these and do that, and it's going to help you. The self-talk app, which is in the description and notes below, which I was saying earlier, please look at that. You get 30 days free, and you can put up to 5 people on that app. So sorry for the itching. I think I'm wearing my daughter's shirt, and I think it has wool in it. So as a human, in my human experience, wool is my friend. That's my self-talk. Wool is my friend. Anyway, all right. Well, I love you so very, very much. You are awesome and amazing. I believe in you. You can do this. You can find your purpose. You can raise your self-esteem. You can change your life for the better. You can be absolutely anything you want to be, because you were born to be successful in every single area of your life, in the human experience, in the spiritual experience, and in your journey, the spiritual journey. You are already whole and perfect. And so now that human experience just can catch up, and then your spiritual experience, your spiritual journey is going to be off the charts. Very exciting. Okay. All right. Yes, I do love you very, very much. And shining my light to brighten yours. Ciao.